This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming power and connection because most slow movement stems from that. Check batteries or swap the USB cable. Once done, test another port and another computer to rule out hardware. Open your operating system's mouse settings now and adjust pointer speed and disable enhanced pointer precision for consistent tracking. If your mouse has a polling rate option, increase it. This reduces lag. Make sure to apply changes and move the mouse to observe immediate differences. Next, you address software and sensor issues that cause slow cursor movement. Update or reinstall the mouse and USB drivers using Device Manager or the manufacturer's utility. This resolves driver conflicts and restores performance. Physically inspect and clean the optical or laser sensor and mouse feet. Use compressed air or a soft brush to remove debris. Switch the tracking surface to a proper mousepad or a high-contrast hard surface, since surface type directly affects sensor accuracy and speed. Finally, you fine-tune configuration and perform deeper troubleshooting. Use the manufacturer's app to raise DPI or CPI if you want faster cursor travel. Once done, pair that with a moderate pointer speed setting in the OS. Disable overlays, remote control apps, and accessibility tools that can modify pointer behavior. If the issue remains, test a different mouse, review USB power management settings, and reset pointer settings to defaults. One key troubleshooting tip: swap devices and ports to quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.